Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Kings, chapter 4, verses 1 to 34:1. King Solomon was king over all Israel. These were the princes whom he had: Azariah, the son of Zadok, the priest; 3 Elihoreph and Ahijah, the sons of Shisha, scribes; Jehoshaphat, the son of Ahilud, the recorder; 4 Benaiah, the son of Jehoiada, was over the army; Zadok and Abiathar were priests; 5 Azariah, the son of Nathan, was over the officers; Zabud, the son of Nathan, was chief minister, the king's friend; 6 Ahishur was over the household; and Adoniram, the son of Abda, was over the men subject to forced labor. 7 Solomon had 12 officers over all Israel, who provided food for the king and his household. Each man had to make provision for a month in the year. 8 These are their names: Ben-Hur, in the hill country of Ephraim; 9 Ben-Decker, and Makaz, in Shalbim; Beth-Shemesh, and Elon Beth-Hanan; 10 Ben-Hezd, in Arubboth; Sako, and all the land of Hepher belonged to him; 11 Ben-Abinadab, in all the height of Dor. He had Taphath, Solomon's daughter, as wife; 12 Bana, a son of Ahilud, in Tanish and Megiddo, and all Beth-Shin, which is beside Zarethan, beneath Jezreel, from Beth-Shin to Abel-Mehelah, as far as beyond Jokmeam; 13 Ben-Geber, in Ramoth-Gilead. The towns of Jair, the son of Manasseh, which are in Gilead, belonged to him; and the region of Argob, which is in Bashan, 60 great cities with walls and bronze bars, belonged to him; 14 Ahinadab, the son of Edo, in Mahanaim; 15 Ahimaaz, in Naphtali. He also took Basemath, the daughter of Solomon, his wife; 16 Bana, the son of Hoshai, in Asher and Beloth; 17 Jehoshaphat, the son of Peruah, in Issachar; 18 Shimei, the son of Elah, in Benjamin; 19 Geber, the son of Uri, in the land of Gilead, the country of Sihon king of the Amorites, and of Og king of Bashan. And he was the only officer who was in the land. 20 Judah and Israel were numerous as the sand which is by the sea in multitude, eating and drinking and making merry. 21 Solomon ruled over all the kingdoms from the river to the land of the Philistines, and to the border of Egypt. They brought tribute and served Solomon all the days of his life. 22 Solomon's provision for one day was 30 cores of fine flour, 60 measures of meal; 23 10 head of fat cattle, 20 head of cattle out of the pastures, and 100 sheep, in addition to deer, gazelles, roebucks, and fattened fowl. 24 For he had dominion over all on this side of the river, from Tipsah even to Gaza, over all the kings on this side of the river. And he had peace on all sides around him. 25 Judah and Israel lived safely, every man under his vine, and under his fig tree, from Dan even to Beersheba, all the days of Solomon. 26 Solomon had 40,000 stalls of horses for his chariots, and 12,000 horsemen. 27 Those officers provided food for King Solomon, and for all who came to King Solomon's table, every man in his month. They let nothing be lacking. 28 They also brought barley and straw for the horses and swift steeds to the place where the officers were, each man according to his duty. 29 God gave Solomon abundant wisdom, understanding, and breadth of mind, like the sand that is on the seashore. 30 Solomon's wisdom excelled the wisdom of all the children of the East, and all the wisdom of Egypt. 31 For he was wiser than all men, wiser than Ethan the Ezrahite, Heman, Calcol, and Darda, the sons of Mahal. And his fame was in all the nations all around. 32 He spoke 3,000 proverbs, and his songs numbered 1,005. 33 He spoke of trees, from the cedar that is in Lebanon, even to the hyssop that grows out of the wall. He also spoke of animals, of birds, of creeping things, and of fish. 34 people of all nations came to hear the wisdom of Solomon, sent by all kings of the earth who had heard of his wisdom. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the first book of Kings, chapter 4, verses 1 to 34. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.